Hi everyone, me Samantha. I would like to facilitate this release review meeting on the payment module under Smartwcm application. So here we have Sam, who will explain the payment module. Hi Sam, can you take over this presentation?
Sure. Hi everyone, I am Sam Thomas, one of the code-based developer of the payment module, which is coming under Smartwcm. In this meeting, I can share the basic idea and the uses of the payment module to manage your subscription and payment for your application. So let me share my screen. So we all have multiple projects to deliver different types of services for our customers, but we need a proper system in hand to handle the financial part of our project. To handle the subscription and payment for your application, we can integrate payment module. So the payment module can handle different types of subscriptions and payments based on your application services. Currently, the payment module can support two types of user roles. First one is the administrator and second one normal user. Also, we are planning to implement the manager user role on the coming release. So the manager users can access and manage features only on the assigned subscriptions and invoices. So let me explain the features of the payment module by using the administrator user role. Now I am going to log in with an admin account. So the administrator can create and manage subscription services, plans, and one-time charges, subscriptions, and also invoices for their customers. Like they have permission on for all the features of the payment module. But in the case of normal users, they can only create subscriptions from the payment modules, and also they can make payment for our invoices through the payment module. We have integrated Stripe into the payment module to handle payment process and subscription auto renewals. Stripe is a leading platform to manage payment process and subscriptions. So any changes done on the subscription will also reflect on both payment module and corresponding Stripe account. So let me explain the features of each module. The first module is subscription services, which is the base for managing subscriptions of an application. By creating a subscription service, you can specify your service that your application or site providing. Also, we can set a unique, the main administrator can create a subscription service from the add subscription service option. During the creation of subscription service, they can provide a unique key on the entity field to identify each services and subscriptions of each subscription services. Also, the admin can manage proration behavior, subscription, and also payment calculations through the subscription services. Also, the admin needs to set the subscription inputs and the details and rules for the subscription plan coming under the corresponding subscription service. After creating a subscription service, the same subscription service will be created on the Stripe account. These are the services we have created on the subscription Stripe account. Also, the admin can able to list all the available subscription services from the subscription service option. So from the listing page, the admin can able to edit each individual subscription services, or he can able to activate or inactivate subscription services. From the listing page, he can directly create subscription plans, one-time charges for each individual subscription services. Or he can able to list all the available subscription plans and one-time charges that have been created for a subscription service. So the next module is plan. We can create subscription plans only after creating a subscription service. So here the admin can create a subscription plans and one-time charges for the corresponding subscription service. By clicking on the create plan, that we can provide the corresponding plan price, plan time, whether it is monthly or yearly, and also he can able to provide the plan details and plan rules. Also, we have integrated a plan with the Stripe account. So here, if we create any plan on the payment module, that corresponding plan will be automatically created on the Stripe account. So these are the two plans we have created for the service site PM. Also, the admin can able to list all the available plans that have been created for all the available subscription services. From the plan listing page, he can able to view each plan details on a pop-up window, and also he can able to activate and inactivate each individual subscription plans. If it is needed, he can also able to edit each individual subscription plans. The next one is creating one-time charges. The main administrator have the permission to create and manage one-time charges. The one-time charge is similar to a subscription plan, and it is the additional charge or fee taken from the customer during the initial subscription creation. So the customer don't need to pay for the one-time charge during each auto renewals. The admin can create one-time charges based on the quantity of the product they are subscribing for. So he can able to create a subscription one-time charge by providing the invoice title, description, and also the quantity, and also quantity type and price. So from the left side, he can also able to list all the available one-time charges that have been created for all the subscription services, like this. From the listing page, he can also edit each individual one-time charges, and also he can able to activate and inactivate individual one-time charges. So the next module is subscription module. Both the admin and normal users have the access to subscription module. The admin can create subscription and invoices for their customers, and also he can manage each individual user subscriptions. But in the case of a normal user, the normal users can only able to create a subscription from the subscription module. From the invoice module, they can make payments for their invoices. Let me explain the process of creating a subscription from the subscription module by using a normal user login. So this is a normal user account. From the left side, they can able to create a new subscription. Also, they can list their own subscriptions, and if any invoices are created for them, they can able to list down that their invoices, and also they can able to make payment for their invoices. So for creating a new subscription, we can click on the create subscription option. While clicking on the create subscription option, all the available active subscription services will be listed here. So the subscriber can choose a required service from the list. Once a subscription service is selected, all the available active subscription plans will be listed like this. So the subscriber can choose a required plan from this list. If inactive one-time charges exist on the corresponding subscription service, that one-time charges will be listed on a pop-up window after selecting any subscription plan like this. So the subscriber can select a one-time charge based on their requirement. Also, they can able to provide a custom count based on their requirement. So the payment will be calculated based on their ended count like this. Then after selecting a subscription plan and one-time charges, they need to provide their subscription details. Also, they have an option to add or update their user details. Finally, they will get a subscription summary page. Here they can see all the information like the selected subscription plan and one-time charges, and also provided subscription input details, and also their user details, and also the calculation for their subscription. From the checkout page, they can also update their subscription plan from a pop-up window like this. Then even they can also update their subscription details directly from the checkout page. Also, there will be an option for the subscriber to create a trial subscription by clicking on the checkout page. So, the subscriber can create a subscription without paying for the subscription plan, but they need to pay for the one-time charge during the time of subscription creation. By providing the card details and making payment, they can successfully create a subscription from the payment module. So the subscriber has successfully created a subscription for him. The same way that administrator can create a subscription for their customer. Also, like this. Also, the main admin can have an option to send a checkout link to subscribers. So the subscribers can pay for the subscription directly from the checkout link received via email. This is a main administrator account. So the main administrator can able to list out all the available subscriptions from the list subscription option. And also he can able to manage all the features of each individual user subscription. By clicking on any subscription, they can manage, they can, there will be an option to update their subscription plan. Also, they can downgrade their subscription plan. And from the option, they can list audits and invoices of the individual particular subscription plans. And also here they can activate or inactivate or cancel their subscriptions. And also here will be an option to extend their subscription date. So the next module is invoice. Only the admin can able to create and manage both invoice and recurring invoices for a user. He can create an invoice for a user from the create invoice option. So the admin can choose the required user from the drop down option. After selecting a user, he can able to update the user details directly from the create invoice page. After updating the user details, he can directly provide the invoice items along with their description and quantity, and also each item rate. From the invoice module, that we can able to list out all the invoices created for each individual users. From the listing page, that we can able to edit each individual invoices, and also he can pay for each individual invoices from the list out page. And also that we can able to send a checkout link through the email. The next option is recurring invoices. The recurring invoices are invoices that are automatically generated and paid or sent to the customers at a regular interval for the ongoing services. So that we can specify the recurring term, whether it is monthly or yearly, and also he can able to specify the recurring day, the day when the invoices is to be automatically generated. By creating the normal invoices, he can, by following the same step for creating a normal invoices, he can also create an recurring invoices from the payment module. Also, there will be an option on the left side to update the credit or debit card details of the login user. So by clicking on the update credit card, debit card option, any login user can update their credit card on Stripe account. So the auto renewals are so the auto renewals are based on happen based on the credit card added on the Stripe account. This is the payment module. So I am happy to answer any question you may have.
Hi, Sam.
Thank you.
Myself, Gautam. Let me clarify my doubt. I have a customer interested in the subscription plan, but they would like to explore the features without making the payment. Is any free trial option available?
Yeah, sure. We have a free trial option on the payment module. During the subscription creation, from the checkout page, there will be an option to create a trial subscription.
Okay.
Let me show that feature. From the checkout page, there will be an option to create a trial subscription. So by clicking on the checkout page, they can create a trial subscription for the selected plan. So while if they are creating for a trial subscription, they don't need to pay for the subscription plan.
Okay, good. Is the free trial required any payment?
No. While creating a free trial subscription, the subscriber don't need to pay for the subscription plan, but
And
they need to pay for the one-time charge if they have selected any one-time charge during the trial subscription
okay,
creation.
what is the duration about the free trial?
Currently, we have set the duration to 7 days. Also, the main administrator can able to update the initial time period of trial subscription from the site property. So he can easily update the initial time duration of each individual subscription from the site property table.
And also, is any way to extend the duration of free trial?
Yeah, from the subscription management page, let me there will be an option for the administrator to extend the end date of the trial subscription.
Okay.
By selecting a required end date, they can easily update the end date of each individual trial subscription. Like this.
Okay, thank you, Sam. Thank you for the clarification.
Edward, this side. So I have a doubt regarding the subscription taken for a client. Okay, suppose if I'm an admin and I create a subscription for my client, and after that, how can I send that details to my client?
Okay, let me share the details. So this is an admin account. So admin can able to create subscription for his customers. After providing the necessary details, there will be an option for the admin to send the checkout link directly through an email. Let me show that option. So I am trying to create a subscription for my customer. So I have selected a one-time subscription plan, and currently I am going to provide the subscription input details. Once the subscription is created on the payment module, the main administrator can able to send the subscription checkout link directly from the checkout page. So the subscriber will get a checkout link from their own email.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, hello, Sam. Me, Samantha. So I have a customer who can't afford the cost of the current subscription plan. So is it possible to create a custom plan specifically for this user?
Sure. That means while creating a plan, the main administrator can specify whether it is a custom plan or a normal plan. From
Yeah,
this
okay.
drop-down option, they can able to specify if it is a custom plan or a normal plan. Currently, the custom plans are not accessible for the normal users. So the main administrator can create a custom plan specific for a user or a list of users, and he can directly create a subscription for them, and also he can able to send the subscription checkout link directly through the emails.
Yeah, okay, okay, Sam. Yeah, okay, Sam. It's very nice presentation. Thank you very much.
Right.